I can't think of a single person who has a problem and says, Swami, what is wrong with me? Where have I gone wrong? Now, everything is wrong with everybody except me. There's nothing wrong with the world. It is how you relate to it. A person picks up a cigarette and smokes. He gets so much pleasure. Another person detests smoke. He can't stand smoke. Cigarette being the same produces pleasure to one, pain to another. A man goes to divorce his wife. Another man is desperately waiting to marry the same lady. The lady being the same produces agony to one, ecstasy to another. So I put it to you for your consideration. It's not in the objects, it's not in the being, but how you relate to it. The moment you know how to relate, you have no problem.